We're doing the Xiaomi 13 Lite camera vlog test. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. For today's video, we're shooting with the Xiaomi 13 Lite. And if you're new to the channel, there's a camera vlog test. It's one of those videos where I run around, go on an adventure, test the cameras so that you can see for yourself just how these cameras perform in real life scenarios. As you may notice, this video has a little bit of that tropical vibe because we're in the beautiful island paradise of Balesin in the Philippines. And today is a beach day, so we're gonna be taking lots and lots of photos. Now, specifically, I'm pretty interested in testing out the Xiaomi 13 Lite because this phone has a 50 megapixel rear shooter with a Sony sensor, and most specifically known to the Lite series, this thing has two selfie cameras, a 32 megapixel shooter and a depth camera up front. Perfect for my beach selfies. I've been here since yesterday, so let's start the vlog. The Xiaomi 13 Lite has an AI mode, and I've been using that, and as you can see, colors are so bright and punchy, especially in like really nice and bright lighting situations like this. And yes, this thing runs on a Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chip. Anyway, we're gonna see more of what these cameras can do, but first, breakfast. Back at our spot from breakfast, and I really have to say that I am loving the form factor of this phone. That's a very sleek device. As you can see, the edges are curved on this phone. You really only have that module that's slightly sticking out, but even the screen is curved. Now, I know that there are people who aren't into the whole curved screen situation, but you know what? I like it. If you watch my videos, you know that I go absolutely crazy for this color, and specifically for the Lite series because they come in pink. My friends are already at the beach, so I think I'm gonna go follow. But let me just show you around our little villa where me and my friends are staying because the view looks absolutely stunning. Okay, so first off, this is 1080p with 30 FPS with HDR turned on. And now this is what the same scene looks like without HDR turned on, 1080p 30 FPS. Now from this point, you can shoot in wide, and you can't do HDR when you shoot in wide or like in 4K. It has to be 1080p 30 FPS. Back to 1x and you can zoom. Ooh, the pool looks refreshing. Up until 6x and then back to wide. Wait, you don't even have to stop to shoot it. Apparently, 1080p 30 FPS, you can go from wide to 6x. 1080p 60 FPS this time, no HDR, because again, it doesn't allow you to do HDR on other resolutions, and you can do wide on this either, but you can zoom in up until 6x. Back to wide, but then I think this just switched to 1080p 30, 4K 30 FPS this time, and then back to 66x, and then back up until 1x. This every time because I get comments about how, like, even if I show you samples with the different resolutions, you're not exporting, so we're not really seeing the quality. But yes, I get that. I will be exporting this video probably in 1080p because, well, that's a default shooting mode for this phone, and also because the front-facing camera can't really do 4K shooting. But I do show you samples just so you see how this phone camera tweaks, how it shoots in different resolutions to see if there's any discrepancy in how they treat the footage. Now, because there are two cameras on the front-facing camera, you have options as to how you're gonna shoot selfie video. This is 1x, 0.8x, 1080p, 60 fps, just like the 1x video that I showed you, and even wider, 0.6x. So you have like normal, wide, and wider on this front-facing camera, which is great if you like vlogging like me or showing off like OOTDs and stuff like that. You also get the same options in 30 fps, 1080p. Again, no 4K. Let's see if we can zoom in or out while we're shooting. No, you cannot. 0.8x, so you can see like it zoomed in a little bit. And the usual camera framing when it comes to the front-facing camera, this is 60, no, what? 1x, 60, but yeah, 1080p, 30 fps. We also have HDR shooting, so this is what it looks like. It's not looking so good because it is against the light, but this is the footage without HDR. Give me a second. Yeah, this is what it looks like, and as you can see, there's really nothing there when HDR isn't turned on. But also on the front-facing camera, 1080p, 30 fps for HDR. Otherwise, like, it turns off or you have to change resolution. Now, also the second selfie camera is a depth camera, so that means you can do this whole bokeh situation here on video and also on photos. Okay, I think I'm gonna head to the beach, but one last thing, I've always talked about how Xiaomi phones have so many like fun features on their camera app. This one, now this isn't new, but much appreciated Xiaomi. It's called Pocket Mirror. So right now I wanna check my face because it's so hot. I am melting. And wait, let me show you. So I go on and tap Pocket Mirror, and then it gives me a view, and then I can zoom into my face. See that, okay, while my eyeliner remains untouched by my sweat, I didn't draw it on the same. Okay, that's good enough. Let's go to the beach. Okay, so this is steady video. I have it turned on 1x. This is what that looks like, and I'm walking down some stairs. Okay, now we're in flatland. As opposed to what walking and talking looks like with steady video turned off. Walking and talking with wide this time. Now, you can't do steady video on wide, but yeah, this looks good. Look at the beach. I also see my friends chilling over there. Hi, friends! Hi! This is Shani, JC, Etel, Jazz. Okay, I'm ready for the beach. Wait, oh my gosh! Hello, friends! That's Lauren, Charm, and Eliane on the buggy, golf cart, zooming in to 6x. Hi! Okay, back out. So it's very bright out. I can't see my screen, so again, it's very bright out. We're at the beach, but this is what my screen looks like right now. What is the maximum brightness for this phone? I'm not entirely sure. AJ, hi AJ, my editor will add the screen brightness. Thank you. Goodbye. So one thing with this is that it automatically like widens the shot when it detects other people in the shot. So I need other people in the shot. For example, see? Do you see that? Do you see that? If I move a little close. Jazz! Fighter. Like, fight. Okay, there you go. So you see how I didn't change anything, but it switches between the modes. So that, all of that was shot in 0.8x, gave us a wider view, which shows you how important it is you have like a wide view on selfie, or to have a better view on selfie, because like I would not have been able to frame this whole video if I didn't see the preview, because like nobody got time for that today. Okay, yeah. Hi! Smile! Hi! Sawadee ka! I love it! Right, dinner at Phuket Village. I love it. Everything looks so pretty. I say hi. Hi, jeez. Hello. Okay. Not so sure if you saw it earlier, but this is what I meant when I said that it would change framing. So it's just me.
Okay.
One
I have mine na. Kayo meron.
Switches to the widest thing. And okay, Wancho says hi. Hello, baby. I love it. Okay. Say like and subscribe. Or not. Good job. Amazing. You did the best. Cheers. You're vlogging. We're back at the hangar and we're flying out today. I think that might be our plane. But yeah, that's it for today. Let me know what you guys think about how these cameras performed. Comment down below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's LAZADA _ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Until next time. So we were in a vlog, but the babies. The baby.
That's taking over. The baby are taking over.
I guess we're done. I guess this video is done.